Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to ride along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. Whew! The summer heat is on in the Richmond region, and it's no different at Reynolds Community College. July has been a heat wave of impactful VIP visits, new investments in our college, and a game changer for campus accessibility. We had the honor of welcoming U.S. Senator Tim Kaine to our downtown campus to celebrate a remarkable $924,000 in congressionally directed spending aimed at supporting enrollment in high-demand healthcare occupations. Senator Kaine got a first-hand look at our cutting-edge simulation environments, where our faculty equip students with the vital skills they need to hit the ground running in the healthcare workforce. Reynolds was one of just 4 community colleges in Virginia to receive this congressionally directed spending this year. We're so grateful to Senator Kaine and Senator Mark Warner for their tireless advocacy, ensuring our region's citizens have access to top-tier programs, state-of-the-art labs, and exceptional faculty. Staying at the downtown campus, we were thrilled to host Richmond Mayor LeVar Stoney and his team as they announced the city's generous $1 million investment to build a new biotechnology lab and classroom at Reynolds. This new facility will be pivotal in developing the talent pipeline essential for the region's burgeoning advanced pharmaceutical manufacturing ecosystem. With a robust, faculty-driven curriculum and our strategic location in the downtown Biotechnology Research Park, Reynolds is set to play a crucial role in bringing the development and production of essential medicines back to American shores. Moreover, the career opportunities in the biotech field are immense, offering our students pathways to better careers and better lives. A big thank you to the City of Richmond for investing in your community college. And to wrap up this exciting month, the Greater Richmond Transit Company officially opened a stop at our Parham Road campus. GRTC riders can now use Route 1 to access Reynolds from various stops, including Brook Road, Chamberlain Avenue, and downtown Richmond. This new route, combined with our free campus shuttle, ensures that transportation is not a barrier for our students. It's been a banner month at Reynolds, and we're so glad you joined along for the ride. See you next month.